Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Ram 3500. This four-door, five-passenger truck will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, voice-activated navigation, variably intermittent wipers, and cruise control. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 17 speakers, providing world-class sound throughout. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.